Hello, this is Chase with SLE Equipment. We're about 15 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee, located in Antioch, Tennessee. Today, I'm going to be kind of doing a little review on a T435 Husqvarna chainsaw. It's not going to be too big, but it's going to be able to get the job done for all those minor jobs that you got going on. Horsepower on this chainsaw, we've got 2 horsepower. The maximum RPMs when this is running is going to be about 10,000 RPMs. The oil pump type is automatic. There's a chain pitch from this of about 3/8. The gauge of the chain is going to be .050 gauge. It has a chain tensioning from the side. There's a rope attachment on here for a sturdy point and fastening for a rope. There's a chain brake on here for better visibility and guide for the bar tip. The weight of these things are about 7.5 to 8 pounds. The resting RPMs when this is just running is going to be about 2,900 RPMs. The spark plug you use for this model is going to be NGK CMR 6H. And this chainsaw is going to be really good for a lot of uses. My name is Chase with SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee. You can call us at 615-641-7720 or go online on our website at sleequipment.com.